This foldable table from Decathlon was the only furniture I purchased while moving into a live-in in 2016. I used it for years to stitch on, make hoop notes on, and for everything that was required to build my journey as a hooper in India. I no longer can lug it around as I learned the hard way who has no space for me, my little things, or my dreams. Since 2.5 years, I managed to earn my rent with hoop classes but aim to go towards volunteering as the cycle of money for a roof is draining to say the least. Even if it has been empowering to earn my living doing what I love so I'm not a burden on my family, any partner, or anyone for that matter. I paid for a room by working hard but cannot afford to be on rent forever as I aim to live out of a backpack with as minimal things as I can while reinventing my hoop journey in terms of what and how I can give. I look forward to letting go of this foldable table secondhand. If anyone in Delhi NCR would be interested, reach out to me here in comments or message me on this number for further details regarding price and how to collect. It can be used in multiple ways and folded to take up minimal space, hence easy to store in the corner of any home. It came with 4 stools that also would fold into it, but I left 2 behind at his house. One had broken, so I used old fabric to get it fixed, so this table would come with 2 stools as well. Returned a mattress and let go of hundreds of hoops and 4 hoop bags to kind humans who found use for it all. All this slowly over the past 5 years as I had promised after everything I built was sabotaged. I keep 2020 lessons in mind as I let go of this and embark on a journey to figure out what home even is. Hoping to hear from someone who would like to buy this and give it a home. It would be great help to me and hope this can be of use to you.